All right, let's evaluate these photos. Let's see. For the most part, I do like what I'm seeing. I do see a lot of similarities between what I was shooting and what she chose to shoot as well. Um, okay. Oh, that's all. Okay. Okay, so let's start with this one, I guess. You know what? Actually, we can just go back. All right. So, I mean, getting an overall view of like all her photos, I can't say with confidence that Meredith did understand the requirements of the project. Um, Mainly because I don't want to be too literal with this, but like street photography, the angles that she took were like like this one, for example. Like this is something that I haven't seen from my perspective at all. I haven't seen a photo like this, especially from anyone else in the class. And I thought this is very interesting. It's very detailed, and I really do enjoy this photo. But here, I mean, I'm just gonna like go off a hunch with this photo. I know this isn't really specifically telling a story, but you can tell this bike is of age. It's very old, and I don't know. I guess you could say the person who owns it likes classics, enjoys, and of course enjoys riding bikes. But okay, let's just get into something a little deeper. All right. Oh, that's the bike right here. Actually, here it is. See, not that old, but very nice. Okay, let's see. Um, Here. Okay, you know what? Let's go from this photo. I actually, I think I kind of took a picture like this on the other side of the street. I guess it gives us a sense of like I guess how old the town is. It kind of looks like an old town. Let's see. The elements that were used, like I guess one thing you did tell us to do was like take photos in black and white, and I really enjoy how she chose to put all of her photos in black and white, and it shows a difference. If this was in color, I'd just see it as like a normal photograph, but like when it's in like black and white, it seems like it's kind of like mysterious, like a I don't know. There's just a lot more to tell just from that. Um, okay, let's go out here and look for my favorite image. I took a photo like this as well. Thought that was very interesting. Um, I don't know why, I don't know, wall paint, or just uh, like a mural in general just stands out to me, and that's what really caught my eye. Let's go for something different. What really caught my eye? I'm trying to find out my favorite photo here. Um, no, we have some here. We have some images of tiny person. It's adorable. Okay, okay. I'm gonna go right back to the wheel. I don't know why this picture is just very detailed, and it stands out to me the best. It's different. Not everyone will get down and take an image from that low and that how close she is to the bike. It's very different, and I like it. That's just my personal opinion. You know, uh, yeah. Let's see. Um, Honestly, I don't really see anything that's particularly weak. Like, uh, maybe this one. I don't know. This picture of the ground doesn't really scream street photography at all. It could have been taken from a better viewpoint, but yeah, I mean, this would probably be your weakest photo. Everything else is splendid. I really do enjoy it. If this would just head back, okay, there we go. Yeah, everything else is just, I like the angles you took. It's very clear. I really do enjoy this. see what else. Um, I don't know what else. There's really nothing else you can improve. The topic. I mean, yeah, the job was to take street photography, and I thought you displayed that very well. Um, and yeah, let's see. Honest, I'm not as to like the stories that are trying to be told. The only thing I could really think of besides like the bicycle is probably the mural. Um, I can't really determine like what the meaning is of the mural, but from that I know there is some sort of meaning. Um, this photo shows that there's some historical value in that area, especially with Triangle Park. Um, one of the few places I did decide to shoot as well. And that is all. Oh no, let's see this. All right. Ah, this is very interesting. I did not see this. Um, oh, it's a toy truck. I thought it was like an actual old truck. Okay. But yeah, that is all from me.